Service in Springfield has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Ozark County, southeastern Douglas County, west central Howell County until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:42 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 12 miles north of Gainesville, or 18 miles southeast of Ava, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and golf ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Dora, Siloam Springs, Rockbridge, Wixie, Sycamore. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri, Douglas, Howell, and Ozark.